When Ancestry DNA customers opt in to sharing their DNA information for research, they may not realize they're actually sharing it with a subsidiary of Alphabet, which also owns Google.
He's my transfusion associate.
It was spoofed on HBO's Silicon Valley.
Regular transfusions of the blood of a younger, physically fit donor can significantly retard the aging process.
But real-life tech billionaires are researching ways to live longer. Take Bay Area-based Calico, short for California Life Company, which researches therapies aimed at extending the human life, not with blood transfusions, but by using Ancestry's DNA database. According to a recent McClatchy News Service investigation, Ancestry can identify families with long lifespans, enabling Calico to pinpoint genes that might contribute to a longer life. It's not a new partnership, but it is raising new privacy concerns because Calico is a subsidiary of Alphabet, which also owns Google.
I'm very worried about the type of information monopoly that Google has. Now I'm getting very worried about how that extends to a record of our genetic predispositions.
Consumer watchdog's Jamie Court calls the relationship between Ancestry and the Google subsidiary frightening, noting that Google already has more information about us than anyone else in the world.
And you have a recipe for genetic mining, putting together pieces of information about people's DNA attributes and comparing that to their behavior in the real world, what they search for online. The Pandora's box this opens is tremendous.
Now, Ancestry insists the aggregate data they give Calico is de-identified. There's no name or identifying information, and it's only from users who opt in to sharing their data for research. Ancestry does disclose its partnership with Calico. Users can scroll down to the bottom of the Ancestry privacy policy, and under Research Partners, click to view a list here. There, alongside more traditional researchers, there is one line with the name Calico Life Sciences LLC and a link to a 2015 press release. Though notably, there is no reference to Calico's parent company.
I don't think people would submit if it said that we're sharing this information with Google, which is the largest information brokerage in the world.
Now, representatives from both Google and Calico tell me they are two separate companies and that Google doesn't have access to the Ancestry DNA information from Calico. We should also note that Google was an early investor in 23andMe. In San Francisco, I'm Julie Watts.